Hey folks, welcome back to Bullets and Brass. This is kind of just a public service announcement. If you haven't changed the batteries in your optics, flashlights, weapon lights, smoke detectors, the remotes for your TV, now is probably a good time. If you don't remember when you last changed them, change them, at least for anything critical where if it goes out and you don't realize it's gone out until you need it, it's a bad thing. The remote for your TV, you can probably hold off until it starts to die. But in general, at least for modern weapon lights, once a year. Most of the good ones now run 50, 60,000 hours, which theoretically, if you don't use it constantly, is enough to go multiple years. So I replace it every year just so that I know it's good. If I get a bad battery that isn't quite perfect, it's good enough. This one I haven't had that long. As you know, that's my 2X GLX. I've only had it for what, a year and a half now? I can't remember when I got it exactly. But perfectly good. But, why not? I replace them as a set. What I usually do is I buy like a 4-pack or a 6-pack and just change them all at one time. And then I know I'm good until the next year. But that's what we're doing today. These are both primary arms units. They are very easy to change the lights on. If you have to, you can use a key or a coin to turn that. I'm pretty sure both of mine are thumb tight. By the way, if you use a knife, be careful you don't cut the O-ring that is providing tension. Wow, this package is a lot tougher than they used to be. I do suggest wiping off the contact once you get your fingerprints on it. Just helps avoid any issues. I've never had them cause issues that way, but I have pulled ones out where there was visibly like corrosion from the fingerprint. When you tighten these back down, you don't have to really torque it down, but snug finger tight because you're trying to make sure it's waterproof. The O-ring seal in there is basically designed for some compression. I'm pretty sure I've lost my setting on that, but close enough. So one done. You can see what I did. I'm assuming you are confident to change your own. You don't need a demonstration of how to do it. That was all this was. I just want to make sure that people remember that these do die. One of the benefits of the GLX 2X and other optics like it, the prism optics and traditional scopes, is unlike a red dot, there is a reticle there no matter what. However, if it's not illuminated, there's a lot of times it's awful hard to see. So having the battery fresh and working properly is awful nice. With an actual red dot, if your battery's dead or dying, you're SOL. You're kind of bore sighting through that and hoping for the best. At short range, absolutely, you can do it. I'll be honest, at CQB distances, unless I'm really trying for a 10-ring shot, I'm more just indexing the whole rifle on target, bang, bang, next target, rather than where's my dot? But you start backing that out 30, 40 feet, suddenly that dot is important. If you don't know a dot, not going to do you any good. Now, this whole pack of batteries, I think was $10. 4 of them is going to do all of my optics that use them. I have a couple optics that use other kind of batteries, but 2032s are very universal for this. I suggest getting The Energizers, I've had good luck with them, but I have also had good luck with the Panasonics. So you do you. Just make sure you keep up on it. It is really, with modern optics, it's easy. You don't have to worry about it, week by week, month by month. It is a routine maintenance item you just check off rather than worried about, well, is it dead yet? Okay, I need to change it. You can change it knowing you probably had 50% of the service life without it feeling really wasteful. So take care all, have fun, stay safe.